what that big snap was, but everything's still there. Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we're down here at Trollhaugen for our Midwest weekend, and it's starting to fill up. Well, we got a call. It's a Ford crew cab out on Hoy Trail. Well, there it is. So he's got no steering. He's going to back it up, hopefully straight, and then we'll hook up to it and see what happens. If you're thinking the wrecker is sounding a little poor, you are correct. It started loading up pretty bad on me. And if you're thinking this truck looks familiar, you are also correct. We've rescued this truck twice before. It's heavy. So with my tow truck not running correctly, and this truck being as heavy as it is, I was a little concerned that we were going to get this truck out of the woods. Right by the knuckle.
Right there.
Yep. That should do. That should do.
Do you want this part up a little more?
No,
Okay.
that should be all right.
Parked over by Mary's crew,
Okay.
just right by the entrance, by the grandstand there.
All right. All right. Well, that was easy enough. Now we're ready to go. Did you hear that? That's a snap I haven't heard before. Well, let's get it out of the mud and investigate this a little bit. that big snap was, but everything's still there. Abby gave him a sticker. We set it down, lined up with his trailer, so he can back his trailer up to it and drive it on. Meanwhile, we'll go see what's next. At the time, we didn't know what the snap was. We found out later. We continued to do recoveries. But if you think you know what that snap was, drop a comment. I'd like to know. And we'll get to it in a future video. In fact, the very next video. But for now, let's just keep going with recoveries. Well, we got another call. We got to go out to Stroker Ace with White and pick up a TJ, I think it is, or a Jeep, anyway. That's apparently almost a three-wheeler. Okay, gotcha. Now, as I come up, these are going to slack up, so we have to readjust them. Let me pick it up first. him out of the woods. Now it's back to his campsite. Set it down on the ground because he's gonna go get parts. So we'll see if we can snake it in there alongside his trailer and let him go get parts. Like that.
What was the first time that you had run into Eric? Or Eric run into you?
Probably in 06.
What happened? What happened then?
Yeah, it was a big blazer. I think I shelled the front end.
Oh, okay.
I've been towed out of here many times. Been here a lot of times over the years.
Oh, so this is like old home week, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.
Should be a episode of me just getting in the trunk. Trying to.